Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'd be sharing with you guys Amazon must-haves that you definitely need in your life, and all of these are really affordable. So let's get started. First thing that I have is something related. I got it because of Corona, and it is this vaporizer. It has different heads. Now this is the biggest head. I do have two more heads for this. Right here. Now it comes with the smaller one and this one as well, so you just have to put water. And if you are somebody who loves to have a little more effect, like if you're having cough or cold, you can put in a little camphor and you can just inhale it and kind of do
a good
kind of do it like for 10 to 15 minutes of this vaporizing, and it works really well. I kind of use this when I am not well or when I'm having that cold symptoms. Also, I sometimes use it for my beauty, the regime as well. What I do is I apply a face mask, like be it a clay mask or a neem mask or something like that, and then I use this to vaporize my face, and so that it helps the mask go in and do its work. So that's what I like doing this. But apart from using it for beauty, you can also use it for health, as I said. And I feel that this is a must, and I think this is for about 100-200 rupees. I will leave all the product prices and the links in the description box. You guys can go ahead and give it a shot, and you guys will really love it so much. The second product that I have is actually something related to lenses. Now I feel I am somebody who wears lens on a daily basis, and if you are somebody who wears lens on a daily basis, usually we get these kind of lenses, lens cases. So I don't like using these. I like to use those fancy cases. So ordering them off of Amazon is also a really good option. I have this one. I use this one a lot. I did not order this off of Amazon, but they have so many beautiful lens cases that I'm definitely gonna try ordering. But this is what it is. I really like when you compare both of these, I prefer this over this anytime, just for an aesthetic reason or something like that. But this works really good. It does come with a lens picker as well, and it works really good for me. So lens cases is a must you have to have from Amazon. The next thing that I have is something related to the house, and it is if you are somebody who likes aromas in the house, and who likes to have a good fragrance in the house throughout the day, this would be a really good addition to your house. So the first thing that I have in the aroma section is from Airwick. Now this is how it looks like. It is a typical bottle wherein you can have your essential oils. You can get a refill of this, and it works on battery, and you just have to switch it on. Like I will try showing you guys whether it switches on. Yeah, it switches on, and there's a little air that it leaves. So yeah, so that is how it works. And it gives out a fragrance in every intervals of time, and it smells, and your room smells really good with this. I use this in the bedroom. I don't use this in the living room because I feel like if it's a bigger space, it might not work for your house. So apart from that, I like using this in the bedrooms or any smaller places, so that you can smell it a little more quicker, and it's a little more strong. So I like using this in the bedroom. And for the living room or the dining room, the one thing that I have is this. Now this is actually in action, and I'm really scared. So this is what it is. This is like the typical, you can just pour your essential oils right here, and you can light your tea light or something like that, and it smells amazing. I love these fragrances so much, and they make the room the entire day smell amazing. Apart from that, even if you switch it off, even once you switched off your diyas and all of that, it lingers the entire room for about 8 to 9 hours extra, and I really like that one so much. This, I feel like this is the most effective when compared to these two. Comparing these two, I feel like this is more effective and this is less effective. So that's why I like using this in a smaller area, and I love using this in bigger areas because it smells amazing. I have lemongrass on this. I have the lemongrass oil in this, so that's what's happening there. But I love lighting them in the evening around 6:30 and 7, and I leave it up till 8 or 9. And the entire house, literally, if I put it in the living room, it smells till the entire house, and it leaves that beautiful aroma and that fragrance. It's an amazing investment that you have to try, and it's very affordable. I will try to link the products in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. The next thing, now that we've spoken about that, is essential oil. Essential oils is something that I really like. I was never into, but I've learned it from my husband. He's really into essential oils and all of this incense and all. So I have two different fragrances here. The first one is this is from the brand called as Organic Mantra, and this is the tea tree oil. Now I don't use this for burning. I like to use it on spot treatments or something for the face and all of that. But this is also really good for therapeutic uses. Apart from this, I also have one from Craft India. Now this is their aroma oil. This is in the fragrance sandalwood. I have a bunch of these fragrances. I have lemongrass that's burning now. I'm almost done with it. Then there was lavender. I was done. Jasmine. These are really good products, and the Craft India, I've actually used this a lot more, so I feel like they work really good. So give essential oils a shot, and these are really affordable. I think all of the 6 or 7 essential oils, you can buy them for about 300 or even below 200 as well. So wait for the deals. You will love these products so much. The next thing I have on the same note is actually these tea lights. Now these are super cheap, and they're really useful for us on a day-to-day life. At least for me, like now with Diwali coming up, I love using these rather than pouring the oil and all of that. I feel like that's bigger process. So what I like to do is I put these in the diyas, and they are amazing. They work for the entire day. And sometimes what I like to do is, once this is done, you can still pour a little normal oil, and you can just light it again. It still works. And I love having these in handy. I have a lot more flavors, and scented candles or unscented ones. These are unscented. I like using the unscented ones. So getting tea lights are really good, and these are super affordable on Amazon. For about 100 rupees or 200 rupees, you get about 100 of these tea lights, and these are really good. They are super handy. Yeah. And the fifth product that I have from Amazon is one of the most important one for me, and this is the lighter. Now this is what I like to use for lighting these candles. I don't like to use those matchboxes, and this is also rechargeable one. So it comes with this is a USB type B, and you just have to charge it, and it works for a good amount of time. At least for me, I don't charge it for about 10 to 15 days, and I use it every day only to light like 2-3 tea lights. So I'm not an extensive user of this lighter, but this works really well. Like literally there's nothing. There is a push button. I will try demonstrating you guys. Yeah, there is a push button right over here. You push it up, and there's a light that goes up, and then you just do this, and this is how it works. Yeah, that is how I do it, and I will show you guys. It's super easy. I don't like it has this electrical current that it passes through. Super easy, very super. I don't want to like burn myself now. It's very easy, it's very effective, and it is super fast and super neat. And I feel like now with Diwali and all of that, I don't want to waste so many matches, and this is a long lasting resource. I try to use this for my stove, as well, but I'm not sure that I'll be using this or not. But you can use it for anything. You can use it for those big candles. You can also use it for the stove. You can use it for diyas. You can use it for so many things, and I feel like this is really good. And this current is super strong. This current is super strong. I don't want to like mess up or something like that, and I am somebody who's very clumsy with lights and all of that, and I feel like this works really well. And you can just pull this button down, and that's it. It is off. It doesn't work. It's a really good investment, and I feel like this works really well, at least during this time. That is all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, come join the family, subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.